Hello everybody, welcome back to another video about Babydoge coin. My friends, in this video I'm talking about the biggest mistake of Babydoge coin holders. What is the mistake of holders? Let me show you in this video, but before starting this video I request everybody to make sure to subscribe our channel for more news and updates videos. Babydoge coin holders, wake up in the market. It's time to buy more and more Babydoge coin. My friends, the currently live price of Babydoge coin in the market is very low. 0.00000168 USD dollar is the currently live price of the Babydoge coin in the market. My friends, that price is very low. And furthermore, my friends, if you look at the changes of the Babydoge coin, so 2.00% negative. So that's mean, my friend, that the price decreased, the price going in the lows. So the price is more going low. So I think that's opportunity for all of you to buy more and more Babydoge coin. Please, I really recommend for all of you that please buy now more and more Babydoge coin. That will give you profit, not loss. Anyways, what is your opinion about that? Also share in the comment box. Now let me show you the mistake of holders doing it this time. My friends, as you know that the currently changes of the Babydoge coin in the market is low. So my friends, if the changes is a negative, that's mean that Babydoge coin price dumps, decreasing, my friends. And due to these changes, my friends, a lot of holders decide to sell. But personally, my friends, I recommend for all of you that please hold, don't decide to sell. Selling is the mistake of all holders at this time. Don't decide to sell, just hold for a long time. Anyways, what is your opinion? What is your price prediction about a Babydoge coin? Also share in the comment box. And my friends, easily they are going to hit a 0.001 USD dollar at the last of August. The huge pump is coming soon in the next week of August. So just hold it and don't decide to sell if you want to buy more Babydoge coin. So my friends, that's good idea for all of you. Buy now more and more Babydoge coin. Babydoge coin is a profitable coin that will give you only profit. And technical analysis tells us that the price will pump very soon. So just wait for it. Thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe channel.